Hi friends, welcome to TurboMaths channel. Many people when they see this question, they don't know which operation to do first. So they often make a mistake. In this question we have multiplication, parentheses, subtraction, division and exponent. The question is 7 times open parentheses 4 minus 4 divided by 4, then all of them to the power of 2 minus 4. What is the answer of this question? Can you solve it? To solve this question, we need to follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations, and if you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same level of priority, and when we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we simplify the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have subtraction and division. First, we do this division, because division has higher priority than subtraction. 7 times 4 minus 4 divided by 4, which equals 1, then all of them to the power of 2, then minus 4. Again, we simplify the parentheses. We have 7 times 4 minus 1, which equals 3, then to the power of 2, then minus 4. Now we have multiplication, exponent, and subtraction. First, we simplify the exponent. 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. 7 times 9, then minus 4. We have multiplication and subtraction. First, we do this multiplication because the multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. 7 times 9 equals 63, and 63 minus 4 equals 59. The final answer of this question equals 59.